Welcome back to our tutorial Tuesdays. Today we have the last part of Inosanto 24. So shoulder load, we're gonna go close all the way through, close all the way through, and open back up, and open back up. So again, close, close, open, and open. Now we have the full thing together. High, high, middle, middle, low, low, X, X, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, high, low, high, then close, close, open, open. One more time. High, high, middle, middle, low, low, X, X, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, high, low, high. Close, close, open, open. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time.